How to fix Facebook not working. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Scroll down and click on storage. Click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and also click on clear cache. Go back now and click on this option here, battery, and you have to click on optimize it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another